In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger's platform smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're new to hosting or an experienced user trying to optimize your web management experience, this guide will help you make the most out of Hostinger. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger's homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to your web hosting experience. Once there, you'll sign into your account using your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, don't worry. You can easily sign up and begin your journey with Hostinger. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard where you'll find a tab labeled Websites. Clicking on this tab will lead you to a list of websites that you're currently managing or have associated with your account. It's a great tool for overseeing all your projects in one convenient location. Think of it like your digital control center for all things website related. After you've navigated to Websites, the next step is to click on the Edit Website option next to the site you wish to adjust or update. You're entering the design and control phase now, where you can make changes to the website's look and functionality. This is where your creativity can really shine, so don't hesitate to explore the various tools and options available to you. Once you're in the website editor, look for the More button. This leads you to a host of additional functionalities that can enhance your website's performance and user experience. It's often these additional features that can set your site apart, so it's well worth taking the time to see what's available. Finally, for the last step in this guide, navigate to the Integrations option. Here you'll find a range of tools and services that can be linked to your website for added features and improvements. Integrations can greatly increase the scope of what your site can do, from analytics to seamless social media connectivity. Think of them as the boost your site might need to reach its full potential. Throughout this process, remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any important changes. Hostinger provides a user-friendly interface, but it's always a good idea to make sure your hard work is securely stored. And there you have it. You've learned how to effectively manage your sites through Hostinger's platform, giving you the tools you need to create an outstanding online presence. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to check back for more tips and tricks.